Hey everyone, welcome back. Today you'll learn easy real-life English through 10 conversations in Los Angeles. You'll see situations at the airport, a hotel, Hollywood streets, a taco truck, and the beach. So grab your coffee, sit back, relax, and let's explore Los Angeles while learning English together. Finding your ride at Los Angeles Airport.
Excuse me, I cannot find my Uber.
No problem. I can help you.
Thank you. This airport feels confusing.
Many visitors feel the same here.
I waited outside for my driver.
Uber cars do not stop here anymore.
Really? I did not know that.
The pickup area is called LA Exit.
LA Exit? That name sounds funny.
Yes, many travelers say that.
So my Uber driver waits there?
Yes, all rideshare drivers wait there.
Is it very far from here?
Not too far from this terminal.
I have 2 heavy suitcases.
Then the shuttle will help you.
There is a free shuttle?
Yes, the shuttle runs every few minutes.
Where can I find it?
Go outside and follow purple LA Exit signs.
Purple signs. That sounds easy.
The shuttle stops right next to them.
Should I call my Uber now?
Wait until you arrive at the lot.
Then I request my ride there?
Yes, your driver will meet you there.
Should I check the license plate?
Yes, always check the plate carefully.
That is very smart advice.
Many travelers forget that step.
I almost entered the wrong car.
That happens here every day.
This is my first visit here.
Welcome to Los Angeles, Emma.
Thank you. I am excited to explore.
I hope you enjoy your trip.
Thank you for helping me today.
You are welcome. Have a great stay.
Your first Uber ride in Los Angeles.
Hello, are you David?
Yes, that's me. Are you Emma?
Yes, I booked the Uber ride.
Great. Please hop in the car.
I'm glad I found the right car.
Let me put your suitcase inside.
Thank you. That is very kind.
All right, we are ready to go.
This is my first ride in LA.
Oh, really? First time visiting here?
Yes, I arrived this afternoon.
Welcome to Los Angeles, Emma.
The city already looks huge.
Where are you staying tonight?
I booked a hotel in Hollywood.
Hollywood is a fun place.
I want to see the Walk of Fame.
Many visitors go there first.
Is it always busy there?
Yes, especially in the evening.
I like busy and lively places.
Then you will enjoy Hollywood.
The palm trees look beautiful.
Palm trees are everywhere in LA.
I feel like I am in a movie.
Many movies are filmed here.
Do you like living in Los Angeles?
Yes, the weather is wonderful here.
The weather feels warm and nice.
Traffic looks light this evening.
That means we arrive quickly.
The hotel is about 20 minutes away.
I want to explore tonight.
You should try local tacos.
I love tacos very much.
Los Angeles has amazing taco trucks.
I will definitely try them tonight.
We are almost near your hotel.
Thank you for the pleasant ride.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
I already love this city.
Exploring the Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Wow, there are stars everywhere here.
Yes, this is the Hollywood Walk of Fame.
I have seen this place in movies.
Many visitors say the same thing.
Are these stars real gold?
No, they are not real gold.
But the names are real celebrities?
Yes, famous actors and singers.
Oh, look, I know this actor.
There are thousands of stars here.
Thousands? That is incredible.
More than 2,000 stars today.
Walking slowly, this street feels very special.
I agree. It is one of Hollywood's biggest attractions.
Do many tourists visit every day?
Yes, people come from around the world.
I also see people in costumes.
They are street performers like me.
Oh, really? What character are you?
Today, I am a rock star.
Your costume looks very realistic.
Thank you. That is my job.
Do tourists take photos with you?
Yes, many visitors ask for pictures.
Can we take a photo together?
Sure, stand next to me.
Okay, I am ready for the photo.
Say Hollywood with a big smile.
Hollywood, this is so fun.
Welcome to Hollywood, Emma.
Thank you. This place is amazing.
Enjoy exploring the Walk of Fame.
I will. There is so much to see.
Have a wonderful time in Los Angeles.
Getting into the wrong Uber travel mistake.
Hello, are you my Uber driver today?
Sorry, I think you entered the wrong car.
Oh, really? I thought this was my ride.
My passenger is someone else today.
I am very sorry about that mistake.
Do not worry. This happens very often.
Really? Many people enter the wrong car?
Yes, especially at busy pickup areas.
All these cars look exactly the same.
That is why checking the app helps.
What should I check first in the app?
First, check the driver's name carefully.
My driver's name says Michael.
Then I am definitely not your driver.
Oh, I feel a little embarrassed now.
Please relax. Travelers do this every day.
What else should I check before entering?
The other thing to check is always the license plate number.
My app shows plate number 4P9.
Look around for that exact number.
There are many cars waiting here.
Sometimes drivers wave to their passengers.
Wait, I see a driver waving there.
That might be your correct driver.
Yes, that car is dark blue.
Now check the license plate again.
Yes, the plate ends with 4P9.
Perfect. That is definitely your ride.
Thank you for helping me today.
You are very welcome, Emma.
I almost started the trip wrong.
At least you found the correct driver.
Yes, now I feel more confident.
Have a wonderful time in Los Angeles.
Hotel problem. The air conditioner isn't working.
Hello, I need some help, please.
Of course. How can I help you?
My air conditioner in my room stopped working.
I am very sorry about that problem.
My room feels very hot now.
Thank you for telling us quickly.
I just arrived after a long flight.
That must feel very exhausting today.
Yes, I really wanted a cool room.
Let me check your room details.
My room number is 523.
Thank you. I see your booking here.
I tried turning the air conditioner on.
Did you change the temperature setting?
Yes, but nothing happened at all.
Did the machine make any noise?
No, it stayed completely silent.
Sometimes the system needs a reset.
Can someone check it tonight?
Yes, our technician can come soon.
That would help me a lot.
It may take about 20 minutes.
The room feels warmer every minute.
I can also move you to another room.
Is the other room cooler?
Yes, the air conditioner works perfectly.
That sounds much better for me.
The new room is on the 6th floor.
A higher floor sounds very nice.
It also has a lovely city view.
I would love that view tonight.
I will prepare your new key card.
Thank you for helping me quickly.
It is always my pleasure helping guests.
I already feel more comfortable now.
Enjoy your stay here in Los Angeles.
Looking for Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Sure. What are you looking for today?
I am trying to find Rodeo Drive.
Oh, the famous shopping street?
Yes, I really want to see it.
You are actually very close now.
Really? I thought I was lost.
No, you are almost there already.
Is it within walking distance?
Yes, only about 5 minutes away.
That is great news for me.
Walk straight down this street.
Okay, straight down this street.
Then turn right at the traffic light.
Turn right at the light.
After that, walk 2 more blocks.
Will I see big stores there?
Yes, many famous luxury stores.
I want to take many photos.
Many tourists love photos there.
Beverly Hills looks beautiful.
Yes, it is a very famous place.
Do celebrities shop there often?
Sometimes they visit quietly.
Maybe I will see a celebrity.
You never know in Beverly Hills.
Are there good cafes there?
Yes, there are many nice cafes.
I would love coffee there.
It is perfect for relaxing visitors.
Thank you for helping me today.
You are very welcome, Emma.
I am ready to explore Rodeo Drive.
Enjoy your time in Beverly Hills.
The shock of luxury prices on Rodeo Road.
Wow, these stores look extremely expensive.
Welcome to Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills.
Everything here looks very luxurious.
Yes, this street is famous worldwide.
Do many tourists shop here every day?
Yes, tourists and celebrities visit often.
I looked at the window. That handbag looks very beautiful.
It is one of our newest designs.
Can I ask the price, please?
Of course, that bag costs $3,000.
$3,000 for one handbag?
Yes, luxury fashion can be expensive.
That price surprised me a lot.
Many visitors say the same thing.
The watches also look very beautiful.
Those watches are handmade in Switzerland.
Are those watches also very expensive?
Most of them cost several $1,000s.
I think I will only look today.
Window shopping is very popular here.
I still want many photos here.
Tourists love photos on this street.
The buildings look very elegant.
Rodeo Drive is famous for luxury fashion.
Trying delicious street tacos in LA.
Hello, your taco stand smells amazing.
Thank you. Welcome to my taco truck.
This is my first taco in Los Angeles.
Then you picked a great place.
There are many choices here.
Yes, we have beef, chicken, and fish tacos.
Which taco do you recommend today?
Our beef tacos are very popular.
Are they spicy or mild?
They are a little spicy.
Do you also have something mild?
Yes, the chicken tacos are mild.
I will try one beef taco.
Great choice. I will make it fresh.
I love how fast you work.
Taco trucks must work very fast.
Do many people eat here every day?
Yes, locals and tourists come daily.
I see a long line.
That means the tacos are good.
I cannot wait to taste it.
Here is your fresh taco.
Wow, this tastes incredible.
I am glad you like it.
The flavor is amazing and fresh.
That is the secret of street tacos.
How much do I pay?
It is only $3.
That is very affordable here.
Good food should be affordable.
I will definitely come again.
Thank you, Emma. Enjoy your tacos.
Discovering Venice Beach and Muscle Beach.
Wow, this beach looks amazing today.
Welcome to Venice Beach, Emma.
I have seen this place online before.
Many travelers love visiting this beach.
Is this area always this busy?
Yes, it feels lively every day.
I see many people exercising there.
That famous area is called Muscle Beach.
Oh, I have heard about that place.
Many strong athletes train there daily.
Do visitors also exercise there sometimes?
Yes, anyone can try the equipment.
Watching those people look incredibly strong.
Many bodybuilders practice there often.
Do famous athletes come here sometimes?
Yes, some famous athletes trained here.
That sounds very interesting to see.
The energy here is always exciting.
I also see street performers nearby.
Yes, musicians and artists perform here.
This place feels colorful and lively.
Venice Beach is full of creativity.
Are there good food places nearby?
Yes, many cafes and food trucks.
I would love a smoothie right now.
There is a smoothie stand over there.
Thank you for showing me around.
Enjoy exploring Venice Beach today.
I will remember this place forever.
Have a wonderful time here, Emma.
Watching the sunset at Santa Monica Pier.
Wow, the sunset looks beautiful here.
The Santa Monica Pier has amazing sunsets.
The sky colors look incredible tonight.
Yes, the colors change every minute.
Do many people come here daily?
Yes, locals and tourists visit often.
I see families and couples everywhere.
It is a very popular evening spot.
The ocean sounds very peaceful.
The waves make this place relaxing.
I also see the big Ferris wheel.
That Ferris wheel lights up at night.
Do people ride it during sunset?
Yes, the view from the top is amazing.
I would love to ride it later.
You should definitely try it tonight.
The sun is slowly going down.
This is the best moment of sunset.
The orange sky looks beautiful now.
Sunset colors here are always magical.
I want to take many photos.
The pier is perfect for pictures.
Are there good restaurants nearby?
Yes, many great restaurants near the beach.
Thank you for showing me this place.
You are welcome, Emma. Enjoy the view.
This day in Los Angeles feels perfect.
Santa Monica sunsets are always special.